completely and for the better a million times over. God, I don't even know where I would be if we never met.
What is going on, YouTube land? This is Chris Catalunya, and before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram on the bottom left, and if you have not subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do that. Alright, let's get into the video. Dear Supreme, get your shipping shit together. Now, getting into this review, I ordered this item back in week 7. Mind you, it's already week 10 of 2018 spring summer. And if you don't remember what week 7 was the week of the North Face, the shiny crap. Now, I did not buy anything from week 7 from the North Face. Oh, I'm lying. I actually bought the white t-shirt. So I got that metallic t-shirt. So I'm lying. But outside the t-shirt, I was not a fan of the North Face drop for this particular season, but we're not talking about that. We are, however, talking about the stamp that I got from that week. Now, this stamp retailed on the Supreme website for $18, $10 plus shipping, making it about $28. Looking on the resale market, you can find this going for about $30, so pretty much what you pay for from the Supreme website with shipping. So you're not gonna make money off of this item. And I'll be honest, I was really hesitant to buying this item, especially since it says, don't ask me for shit. Now, if you know me or have watched my previous videos, I really don't like buying Supreme items with vulgarity on it. I think it's pretty tacky, like all those Supreme jackets with like the fuck. It's just not my style. But I bought this stamp in hopes of modifying it at a later date with the box logo emblem instead of this don't ask me for shit emblem. But let's get into this review. So this stamp is pretty much plastic. There is a metal spring on the inside of this, but you won't know that unless you disassemble it, which I have already. So on the top, you have your plastic covering that covers the don't ask me for shit label. And I'm kind of upset at this because this label shifts around. It doesn't look professional at all. They could have at least glued it to the inside of it, but it's whatever. On the front of the stamp, you see the box logo and the handle is in white. On the left and the right side of the stamp, you have your lock mechanism. On the middle of the stamp, this is your ink pad or your ink cartridge. So if you want to change out colors or you need to refill, this is your ink cartridge right here. And then when you press this is your little housing. When you press your housing, your stamp comes out. It is a self-inking stamp pad. Now, in mentioning the lock mechanism, I'll demonstrate how you would lock your stamp. And the purpose of locking your stamp is so you can line up your stamp with the paper or to clean off the stamp with like Windex or whatever you clean off ink with. So you're going to want to push the stamp all the way down. And normally you would do this like on a table or something. You would press it down onto the table. But you'll press it all the way down, and then the left and the right tabs, you'll want to push it in. And now your stamp is locked in place, so you can one, clean it off or line it up. And to release it, you just press down, so it's released. Now, in mentioning that you could change your color, or if you want to keep the same color, you just want to refill your black. Yes, this comes with black ink. You're going to want to press it down maybe a fourth of the way, and then you're going to push it out from the front. And then just slide it all the way to the back. Just pull out that cartridge and there you go. There's your ink pad. And to install a new color or the same color, you're just going to do the same steps. You're just going to press it a fourth of the way and then slide the ink pad in from the front and line it up with the housing and then release. And that's it. So again, my thoughts with the stamp is I really don't like the profanity or the vulgarity with the don't ask me for shit. It's just not my style. I definitely wish they would have like used the box logo, and that would have been freaking awesome. And again, I'm gonna try to mod this unit to have the box logo. It's definitely not going to be this. And there is really no practical use for don't ask me for shit. I definitely can't use this at work or in everyday usage. But let's be real, it's a novelty. It's just something nice to have, or to put in your glass case or something. I don't think it's everyday usage, or maybe if you're in middle school or something like that, high school, this is like a funny gag gift or something like that. So what do you think about this Supreme Don't Ask Me For Shit self-inking stamp pad? Is it a good pickup? Bad pickup? Let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up. All right, that's about it. And we'll check you later. Cheers.
I don't love you anymore.